Ovocné Kn number 277, dliky. Fruit dumplings. A dessert from Czech Republic. You will need 8 ingredients. Serves 4. Step 1. Cream together the butter, cottage cheese and salt. Step 2. Stir in the flour and mix until dough leaves sides and is not sticky. Step 3. Cover with a damp cloth and leave it for 30 minutes. Step 4. Roll the dough out on lightly floured board until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Step 5. Cut out circles of dough big enough to cover fruit filling, and form dough around filling. Be sure they /are sealed well. You can use fresh plum halves, small apricots, 3 cherries, strawberries, or any other fruit you like. Drop dumplings into boiling, salted water. Cook 8 to 12 minutes, or until the dumplings have risen to the top of your pot. Step 7. Serve dumplings on warmed plates, smother with melted butter, sugar, and cottage cheese. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.